It's happened to almost all of us. You're at the register or trying to pay a bill, and suddenly your debit card just stops working. It's incredibly stressful, especially when you just need to get on with your day and access your own money. But the first thing I want you to remember is this. A blocked card doesn't always mean something bad has happened. In fact, most of the time, it's actually a sign that your bank's security system is doing its job and trying to protect you. There are a few common reasons this happens. It could be unusual activity. Maybe you're shopping in a new city, making a much larger purchase than usual, or you just accidentally typed your PIN wrong a few times. Sometimes it's just a boring technical glitch on the bank's end. It happens. If your card gets declined, take a breath. Don't panic. If you have the bank's mobile app on your phone, start there. Log in and look for any alerts. Often, there's a message waiting for you that explains exactly what's going on, and sometimes you can even unblock it with just one tap. Now, if there's no clear explanation in the app, flip your card over. Call the official phone number printed right there on the back. This is very important. Never just search for a bank's phone number on the internet. Scammers put fake numbers out there all the time. Use the number on the card in your hand. When you call, they're going to ask you some questions to confirm you are, well, you. This is totally normal. Once they've verified your identity, they can usually unblock the card right then and there. If they do need to send you a replacement card, just ask them how long it will take and if there's a way to access your funds in the meantime. Most card blocks are resolved in just a few minutes. Just stay calm, call the right number, and you'll have your peace of mind back before you know it.